In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix the Photoshop error, not enough memory RAM, in a few simple and quick easy steps. If you are new to the channel, then consider subscribing to keep updated on our future videos. So, without losing any more time, let's quickly start the video. This method will work in both newer versions of Photoshop like Photoshop 2020, 2021, and 2022, and even in older versions of Photoshop like CC 2014. Open Photoshop and then go to Edit and find Preferences. From the flyout menu, find Performance. Click on it. At the very top, you'll see Memory Usage, which displays your system's available RAM as well as the amount of memory given to Photoshop. To expand the memory space available to Photoshop, click this plus button. Click OK, then close Photoshop and restart the software. I hope it will solve your problem. If you want to know how to fix scratch disk full error in Photoshop, then click on this link and I will see you in my next video.